Hi guys, this is Tushar Anand from 99 Workouts Season 2. In Season 1, we had 25 amazing guests and they shared their entire journey, their lifestyle. We had a lot of candid chat, interesting stories, a lot of inside stories. And what does Season 2 have? Well, of course, Season 2 has more and more and more interesting people who you need to know for sure, because they have got some fantastic story and I have really known them for a long time. So today on my 26th episode and my first episode for season 2, I have a very special guest. So please follow me and let's catch up and see who this guest is. We are at Body Power Gym and I'm going to introduce you to my very old friend Robin Saini, and we met like what, 16 years back?
Yeah, we met 16 years back. I think that was the first fitness event in Pune, and I was into marketing that time, so we had that association and stuff. Yeah.
मैं रॉबिन जी से मिला था 16 साल पहले 2004 में, जब एक पहली बार पुणे में एक फिटनेस शो हुआ था. तो रॉबिन जी से मुलाकात हुई और इतना अच्छा हमारा बॉन्डिंग हो गया पहले शो के साथ. आज 16 साल के बाद हम वापस मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन एक दूसरी जगह पे. आज मैं आई एम सीइंग रॉबिन इन अ डिफरेंट अवतार ऑलटुगेदर, अ डिफरेंट लुक. यू आर लुकिंग सो फैंटास्टिकली फिट. सो टेल अस, हाउ डिड दिस ट्रांजिशन हैपन?
So I tell you a story. जब मैं इनसे 16 साल पहले मिला था, I was this, I think I'm 40 now, so probably I was 25, 26 something. I saw his body and I saw a lot of those builders and stuff. I think, wow, yeah, I see body on niche, which probably every young guy has that thing, 24, 25 mein. But you know how we are, like we go to gym one day and then you never see the entire gym. So I had that dream, but that passion was something which was missing, and probably there was too much of corporate work pressure, and so I never took time for gymming. Then I left the marketing, and then I got into my hobby, which is photography. So people know me now more as a photographer. And last year what happened was, because I do a lot of weddings, I started putting on a lot of weight. And first time जो weight आता है वो यहाँ पे आता है, पेट में. And I realized any suit which I was wearing 6 months back was not fitting me. My waist had gone to 34, which I was like. So last year is what I decided. So 2019 was a year which was like, I mean, it had a lot of ups and downs, but one of the most positive things was I took fitness very seriously. I said, no, I want to see a better me, a better version of myself, which is, there's a hashtag which is very famous on Instagram, which says fit at 40. So I made a special Instagram account of my, my fitness journey. And I said, I'm going to prove myself. A lot of people said, ki, "Arey, nahi ho payega," because 40 is very difficult. So it took 1 year approximately, but every day in gym, multiple gyms. And this is very close by, so I've been very regular here from 6 months. And I said, if you have that passion inside you, I think age is just a number. Right. So I don't want to be an all or something, but I want to be fit. And I can see that result in my whatever work which I do, because sometimes you get lazy with so much equipment and stuff. But then this is nice. I can see a lot of change in me over the last 1 year. The way I look, the way I now present to people, the confidence. I think it's not just the muscles, but overall you get a lot of positive vibes when you work in gym. एक अच्छा atmosphere रहता है आपके पास.
Robin, this question which I wanted to seriously ask you is, when I met you, you were into sales and marketing. It was a very nascent stage for fitness in Pune. Actually, if you go back, there was no knowledge on nutrition and diet and things like that. And now you moved on to become a professional photographer. It's by choice or passion. How did this transition happen?
So while I was working with marketing, I had an intern. She was getting married, and photography was always my passion. So rather in our event, though that time we hired a photographer, but I used to always love, clicking my own pictures or friends' pictures with a normal DSLR. So it turned into a profession when one of my interns, she invited me for a wedding in Labasa, and I went there and I thought, okay, instead of giving her a gift, let me just take some nice pictures and give it to her. So she had hired some professional guy from Bombay, and I happened to share some pictures and she loved it. That was a July wedding, monsoon wedding. And seeing her pictures that time, this is I'm talking about 2011-12. Those pictures went viral. They went on pretty much a lot of networking sites as the best bridal pictures and stuff. So it got picked up, but then her friends, they were getting married in November, December. So they just booked me and they said, I'll tell you a very funny incident. So I went to the bride's house and she said, आपने उनको photos खींचा था, so we want you also to do it. So I told her, ma'am, first of all, I'm not a professional photographer. This is a hobby for me. I do what I like. So we want you to do the same thing. And हमने और कोई photographer रखा है जो पूरी शादी की pictures खींचे. You just concentrate on the bride and the groom, whatever you feel like. We will not interfere. I said, okay, fine. So how much would you charge? Because I've never charged that time, and it's like the first thing when you don't know. So I said, हम लोग normally अपने event वाले को तो 5,000 रुपये देते थे, 2,500 से 5,000 रुपये. This was a 3-day wedding. So I said, चलो 5 का 3 times 15,000 rupees. मैं थोड़ी सी अच्छी pictures खींच लेता हूँ, 20,000 rupees. I had no idea about the market because I was more concentrated on my job. And so I said 20. So they said, okay, so 1 दिन का 20, तो 3 दिन का 60. And this is like, whenever I tell this story to anyone, I get goosebumps because, there's something which, and all of a sudden you just, this thing like, oh, there is crazy money. And then I studied the market, and then I realized that, man, there is, like, if you are, like, it's an artistic job, right? If you have that, probably people are ready to pay you, And then probably 6-8 months I worked with my company and kind of then formed my team and stuff, and then there was no looking back. So over the years, we won now a lot of awards from, over half a dozen awards in the wedding photography and stuff. Been doing Indian weddings outside India and stuff. But then that's how the journey is. So again, the thing is, follow your passion. If you're determined that ये आपको करना ही है, तो उसके पीछे फिर पूरी तरह चले जाओ. Don't be like, हाँ नहीं. And this is what I was doing with fitness उस टाइम पे. Because I was into marketing, I think मैंने आपसे भी ना बड़े सारे जिम के vouchers लिए थे. Rather, we used to give so many clients vouchers because into marketing. और मेरी खुद भी ना पुणे में अगर किसी भी जिम में चले जाओगे, all the big ones, हर probably from 2003 से लेके 2012 तक हर एक जिम में मेरी 1 साल की मेंबरशिप है. मतलब मैं जाता था, नाम दिखा के 4-5 दिन करता था और आ जाता था वापस. But then वो passion was not there. So I think anyone who wants to do or wants to get into fitness is, यार एक ना ऐसा वो होता है ना, you need a what do you call that? Some kind of motivation in you that which drives you daily to gym, and so that I don't know how to put it, but in a way that you have to do it yourself. You can't be like, आज मौसम अच्छा है, आज थक गए हैं. Ma'am knows that I do not come every day, right? Like service 6:30 बजे Robin Saini is here. Yeah, the last 2 months, wedding months, you can't come, so that's why I was in 2-month break. But then that's what it is.
So as you can see, 99 Workouts is all about inside story, the inside truth, and it's all very uncut and very real. Well, most of you may not know that Robin is very much into bikes. I mean, I have seen a lot of pictures of in the past with big bikes. What is this? Is the passion still on, or how's this?
So again, it also has the same story. While I was young, while I was 21, 22, I used to have a normal Avenger. So I think all boys like bikes. So I also had that Indian Cruiser Bajaj Avenger bike. But I always had this dream to have my own crazy, big bike and stuff. But obviously, I don't come from a business family. My father was an army officer. So I was like, chalo dekhenge. And then Harley came into India. This was 2007. So I went all the way to Hyderabad to just check the showroom. Rather my Indian bike, I kind of modified it to a cruiser bike. It has its own charm. And then finally, now because of the hard work, now I think you can afford it. So I ended up buying a Harley Fat Boy, which is like the best of the best beast bike. So again, you know, वो इतनी heavy bike है, which is 350 kgs. Imagine अगर मैं जिम नहीं करूँ and मैं पहले या तो बहुत ऐसे मोटू तोंदू वाला आदमी लगूंगा या नहीं पता. So I think one way is you have to also do workout because the bike has to complement you and you have to complement the bike. So that was more of a dream which I thought long back, which kind of now got fulfilled. Yeah.
सो आपने सुना रॉबिन जी सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग में थे जब मुझे मिले 2014 में. ही यूज्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ गोल्ड एट लैब्स. इट वाज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट सिनेमा हॉल्स स्टिल देयर इन पुणे. एंड then we kept in touch on and off. Of course, Facebook and social media was always there.
I mean, then we did a lot of events with them in the radio. We did some events.
Yes, and he moved on to a lot of different professions, and we always kept in touch at different places, and moved on to doing professional photography. Well, Robin, tell me something. You're at 40, and you have found your way of motivating yourself today, right? What would be your message for 2020? How would you like to convey that people should take out time from the profession, because you are busy. There are times when you are busy, you are shooting and like that, but you are here today. And I know Robin before and now. What a change! What a transformation! So, what is your message? A very concrete message for people who are still thinking that start करेंगे. It's already second today.
Second.
Right.
So guys, as I said, now you need to have a solid determination. That is the first thing. You know, वो अगर आपके वो गोल नहीं होगा ना, कि कई लोग सिर्फ जिम जाते हैं सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट के लिए. I also realized that, but I ensured that I created a new account. So if you follow me on Instagram, you realize that वो जो account मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए बनाया था कि I'm going to only put my fitness thing. So that it's not just a one time, एक बार करके. Because lot of times I was only uploading my work, which was the wedding pictures or any other picture. My personal thing was I was like, no, every day when I put, obviously, once you get that appreciation from people, it kind of motivates you.
Right.
So that helped me. I started with probably 5 kgs and today I can probably go on a 450 kgs on a leg press and stuff. It's just because of the motivation from clients कि हर कोई देखता रहता है like हाँ, and then you always put your before after. So that is self motivating. So I used to do a lot of before after pictures, 1 month, 3 months, 1 month, 6 months, which kinds of helps. And I would say that anyone who wants to get into this, छोड़ दो यार. The fitness is the only thing. Life में ना tension आएगी, गर्लफ्रेंड्स आएंगी, ये आएगा, बहुत सारे पंगे होंगे. But fitness is one thing. If you are, if you stick to fitness, ये सारे आ जाएंगे और चले जाएंगे. So this is what my thing is, that no matter what is it, fitness has to be your priority.
Well, friends, I have known Robin for a long time. It's more than a decade, and I know that it is coming from the heart and it's coming through experience. It's very, very important to have an experience and self-motivate yourself. You cannot be pulled to come to a gym until unless we are all in the 40s, but we feel that we are more stronger, athletic, and I think we don't want to just want to go all out. So 99 Workouts is all about candid chats, real stories, as you can see. Robin, thank you so much for being my first guest on season 2. Trust me, there are a lot of interesting people who are going to come in season 2. Robin, I just caught him during his workout, and what a way to start my season 2 episode. And keep watching 99 Workouts, because my next guest is going to be equally special.
See you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Chalo sir.